Hi everyone, my name is Zikai Xie and today I would like to present to you my interactive sound installations. So my project is called Noise. As the time goes on, it is clear that the population of 2015 will increase and the city will expand outwards. The noise from cars, owners, construction sites, and so on will gradually increase and envelop the cities. I want to use this installation to make people feel the danger of noise and realize the urgency of taking measures to reduce it. Measures such as vegetation strips will bring noise reductions from a psychology and a physical point of view should be aid and followed up in the expansion of cities, like enhance our quality of life. So I plan to design a relative large sculpture group to give a sense of operations. They symbolize the constant operation of noise and the subtle danger it poses to peoples. I also use sound and light to create the scene using natural sound in the contrast to the noise of city to give people a more vision contrast. People entering the installation will bring noise to it, and as the number of people increase, the noise will get louder and louder. So my installations has three different scenes of music playing a loop, switch between the peaceful sounds of nature and the noise sound of cities. As the scene switch, light also switches with the sound of the ocean is blue, and the forest is green, the city is white, and feel the noise in the tangible ways. So at the same time, I designed the installation on each of the roads which emit different noises when people pass by. I want people to feel the distraction caused by noise. At the intersections, there are two installations with two separate sounds for people to choose from. Allow them to experience the effect of noise reduction. And this is my pure data. So this is the background voice. I use city noise and two of the nature sound, and I put like a music to enhance it. And this is my in the middle installations. The people can choose sound. Like if they choose bike, have the sound of bike pass by, and if they choose the car, it will have the car pass by. You can realize that the noise and this thing. People can easily to rely on the sound reduction. And this of the four noise, when people pass by the road, it will make the noise. thank you for listening.